Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh, and let's talk about HCMC. Some business concept, what we'll be looking at, some news, and also some technical analysis. Right? Quick review today, just about coding, right, folks? If you see that on your screen, it's like what's going. It's totally about coding, right? And nothing going between up from 0.001 all the way high of 0.001.12. We think we've been trading that for past 5 days. Yes, for past 5 days we have been struggling, and this 0.001 is acting as a huge support level. Before I talk more on the technical side, let's talk about some key news and some, just to be on self-aware what this business is about. Hey folks, please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and turn on the notification if you guys want to be constantly updated with HCMC and some other stocks. So the business strategy is simple, right? They attempt to expand upon monetized parent suit, operate potential, and expand up to 4 health, food, and chain vitamin store, right? This is the thing I'm looking at really also on that, right? They have like some sort of joint venture to like some grocery outlets in order to sell the products and expand, like leasing out a section of it, right? There's something they've been doing it and getting better with that, right? They have 7 retail vape stores, and sneaking out business lines to mission healthier choice products to add to this portfolio, right? We know about Canada, the Q cup getting filled in Canada now. If you want to go get, so definitely you can get filled up in the Q cups in Canada and also in Denver, Colorado. Yes, and in Denver, Colorado, you can also go back and get filled. Yeah, you can definitely go back and fill up the Q cup. I'm gonna bring up the news, also on the Canada. What are we looking at, right? So on the Canada side, so the Healthier Choice Management announced the filing of exclusive filing agreement with the AGT Pumps First Aid for the Q Cup, right? Just Mr. Norman said the projection cannabis sale is about 4 billion in year, will go 5 billion next year, right? And gives a potential advantage in terms of early market share, right? Canvas is big in Canada, right? There's some companies like Truly, Aurora, and some other are weed stock. There are some companies on the Nasdaq also are based on the canvas, right, stocks. But we have to be very careful in Canada and in US, like it's not federally recognized, but some states are, right, which is good because it's overcome to the over time to the period. We're definitely going to see some growth in America, some states where it will be legalized. So it was pretty much legalized everywhere. Just the federal has not been legalized it, right? Overall, about 6-pay solution in past year allowed companies to free your cash flow, custom turn, filing and filling and packaging services, and access to AGT's clients over 65 licensed products. Right, this is a big company. This is what we're kind of a bit excited. This is much better than the health center in Colorado. This is a bigger company, so it has more. This means more generated revenue, right? So let's talk about some technical analysis of the stock, right? What's been going on, where we at, and to make it a little bit clear, I'm gonna erase all those drawings what we discussed on our previous video, and let's see where we at, right? So let's go back. We're gonna erase all of those, so in that way we are fresh from the beginning, right? So we talked about in our previous video that the key level was 0.001, right? That was the key level. This is and the reason I mentioned it, like when we came all the way to 0.0010, the 200-day moving average. So the pink line on my screen is the 200-day moving average, 60-day moving average is the green line, and the 20-day moving average. I'm at the 1-year chart time frame day, and we are having our support level at 0.011, folks. Is lined with our 200-day moving average, right? And it's also yes, its line is number 200 in moving average. Finally, we're seeing some sort of turnover, folks. This is the one to watch out. You see this crossover right up here? Once we have a crossover and we have green bars coming in, it'll be a reversal that we're looking at. So the next, we need to break out our two key levels, right? There will be a two key levels on the year today. We need to break it out. One will be definitely at 0.012. I know it sounds a little bit different, but I am very this is what we've been holding off for so long, right? And the next level on our moving average, it is based on 0.0014, and moving forward all the way high of 0.0016, right? It right now is because of our moving average is lined up. It's gonna act as a huge resistance in order to break out, right? We're gonna go back to look at our 6 months, right? On the 6 months, right? The 6 months chart, our RSI is cooling off. On the 6 months, we are seeing some sort of buying momentum, right? It is a little bit crossover right now on the 6 months, but there's not enough. The volume is pretty good. We still add 1.48 billion volume. The average volume is 3.51 billion, right? So something that we need to keep an eye how the volume and the price reaction is going to be. So our key levels, in order to have a complete bull pattern, we need to break out two moving averages is 0.0012, then 0.14 and 0.16. The reason is being that if I go back to our 5-day, right, folks, we've been trading in between these two channels right now. This is acting as resistance. This has been acting as support, right? Offering has been done. People has got the discounted shares. Everything is filed in. I'm holding up to over 1 million shares also. And I'm going to keep adding it. Yes, folks. I'm going to keep adding if it drops below that to come to 0.001 level or below. I personally don't see it dropping all the way to 0.007 level. But you never know. You always have to have a plan in order to trade. And all is going to depend from Philip Morris lawsuit and an outcome or any kind of progress. If any update comes in, where we at? If it's going to go be on a motion, right, and then it's going to go on the trial. It's on the motion if it's going to go trial or no, right? There could be a possible of settlement outside the court, or they can go trial and we'll go from there, right? Well, folks, that's all I have. Yes, quick, nothing too shabby, nothing too exciting. Only the Canada, the QFIL endorsement with the company, and my previous video was discussed on the health center one, right? But overall, we're looking good, holding up on the key technical analysis, and we just have to wait and see how the lawsuit comes in. Well, folks, thank you for watching it. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button. I really appreciate you guys supporting it. It means a lot to me. So thank you very much and have a good day.